Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Barber Method. Guys, in this video you will find top 15 most beautiful and satisfying Afro haircut transformation for you. If you are really searching for some latest Afro haircut on YouTube, I think this video is exactly uploaded for you. Don't skip this video, watch this video to then enjoy. As you can see, this guy have huge rounded hair and he got most beautiful Afro hair transformation. We are moving the modern Afro. Like if you are looking for some modern Afro, you have to get some tapered fade on the side. As you can see, this guy got high taper on the side. Here we go, we are moving a short Afro with low taper fade. Yeah, yeah, it's beautiful. It's short, it's nice, it looks decent. This guy just paid $250 to have that haircut. What would you say? So worth it or not? Anyways, we are moving the next Afro transformation. Yeah, finally, he got a shape. Yeah, he got a shape. Yeah, this barber just done his job very perfectly, and that was major transformation. Anyways, we are moving the next one. So it's time to give some shape for this huge chops to Afro. Yeah, it's worth it. It's cool. We got another modern Afro transformation. And here is it. Bam. That was flawless transformation. He paid $150 for his lineup. That was too much, bro. This is gonna be a craziest haircut transformation. It's not Afro, but the transformation was worth it. Yeah, this is gonna be the burst fade and got some muted color on the top. Yeah, that's beautiful. And this barber is phenomenal. Yes. Yeah. We got another modern high tapper fade with short afro. And this is gonna be a flawless transformation. And here we go. This guy got perfect high tapper with modern afro on the top. And we are moving the next one. Here is the final cut. That haircut costs $150. Do you think that worth it or not? Don't forget to comment your opinion. Oh my gosh, that was crispy as circuit transformation. And this is gonna be a short afro. And it looks always perfect, and I think it's really easy to handle short afro as compared to overgrown or long afro. She's very talkative. And yeah. She got most beautiful Afro hairstyle. That was just blended transformation. Wow. Yeah, it's worth it, man. She's happy. She's pretty confident with that hairstyle. And here we go. He just paid $200 and that was last record. Thank you so much for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get updates.